Boom. All right, so this is gonna be a quick one, but we've got this 40 volt Ryobi battery that I brought back from the dead. It was down but not out, and it wasn't working, it wasn't taking a charge at all. I boosted it up, got it to charge, fully discharged it last night, and it went from 40.6 of that 5 volts when it was fully charged down to 32 volts once it finally died. So we're going to charge it up again and see just how many watts it'll actually take. So I've got this watt meter here, and I'm going to plug it into the charger, and it'll measure. It won't be perfect because there's going to be some efficiency loss through the charging process, but it should give us a pretty clear picture of how many watts this degraded but not dead battery is going to take. It's rated at 93.6 watt hours. We'll see what we get. Oh, and this is going to be fully powered from the sun. We were going to plug this into the solar power to charge this as well. So we'll see how it goes. All right, so we're fully charged. Let's see how we did. So it's rated at 93.6 watt hours, brand new. Again, we brought this puppy back from the dead, so I was just excited that it was working, but now we're gonna see just how much power it really can take. So I guess I'm curious, what do you guys think? How much power do you think we were able to get out of this salvaged battery? I was thinking and hoping maybe about 75 watts. So we plugged it into this tester. Into the charger. Now every watt that went into the charger made it into the battery, but it also wasn't fully discharged either. So that maybe that'll balance out a little bit. So this little tester, again, this is pretty great little device. Highly recommend it. So drum roll, please, and 85 watts. That's pretty darn good. So 85 out of 93.6. That's 91% of its kind of original capacity. So all in all, feeling really good about that. So yeah, there we go. It's showing full 4 bars, and it's good to go.